Hello there, Victor here at Albacross. I'm really glad to hear that you're interested to know more about our product. So today, my plan is to give you an introduction demo, basically showing you the platform and what it can do, focusing on generating more qualified leads, of course. So I hope you're ready. Okay, cool. Let's get started. We founded Albacross 5 years ago because we saw that B2B companies had a lot of problem with converting their website traffic to actual leads. So what are we doing then? We are generating qualified leads by identifying the visitors of the website. We are doing it on a global scale, and we are actually identifying more than 1 million unique leads a month to our 9,000 customers. And to do this, we are relying on our own data. And thanks to that, we can identify companies that no one else can. So in the next step here, I will actually take it further and show you how the actual process looks like and how it works. We identify the website visitors on your website by installing a tracking code. And that tracking code will tell us which companies that are coming to your website, and you can see it yourself. Then you can qualify those leads by a lot of different data parameters like revenue, employees, industries, and also the activity they have shown on the website. Then we of course identify the decision makers on those leads so that you can take action. And you can send those leads directly to any tool on the planet by our integrations. So your CRM, marketing automation tool, whatever you are using to take action, those leads will be populated there. Okay, I know this sounds cool, but let me show you the actual product. We are now inside the actual product. So we have the leads overview here in the middle. And this is where you can see the different companies that comes into the website, basically. In the left side, you have the segments, and you can create those different segments based on the different parameters, meaning the filters here in the top bar. That means that you can create a segment for a specific market or for your ideal customer profile, for example. In the top bar, we have workflows. So this is a very important feature because this makes it possible to actually send those leads to other tools as well. Okay, so let's jump into a segment that I've already created. So we have this hot leads from UK segment here. That shows companies from UK that are more than 500 employees, that spent more than 1 minute on the website and that visited the website more than twice. So we can see a few different companies here. If we take Canon, for example, here, we can see that they have spent 2 hours on the website, more than 5 visits, or actually 5 visits, 1 direct visit, and 4 visits coming from a Google search potentially. I've also tagged them already as a customer prospect, which is good in this case. If we later on go into this company, we can get more information. So in this case, we see the website, the phone number, the address, revenue, employee, and industry data, which is great. If I jump into the activity, I can see even more data, and this is very detailed now, showing me what they have shown interest in. So I can see they were on our website tracking, they read the data processing agreement, and so on. When I'm scrolling down here, I can also see the acquisition source. So they came from a Google search term Albacross. Okay, this is great. I can clearly see that they had some intent. And I can follow the sources, the number of visitors, and also the actions made on the website. And if I'm clicking into the set actual day here, I can see exactly what they were doing on the website. So with 2 different people coming to the site, and this is what they did. Of course, now I want to know more. I want to see, okay, who should I contact within this company? And that's why we have this contact plugin here where I can see the actual decision makers as well. And of course, this is GDPR compliant data. So I go into marketing. I want to target someone with marketing. Let's say Sharon, the CRM marketing manager. Okay, I get his email and I also have his LinkedIn profile here. That's great data to see and to act on. I can now go back because what I want to show you is the actual workflows. Because either I can go in and get this data manually like I just did, but I can also make sure that those leads are distributed within the organization automatically. Okay, that's great, I know. So new workflow, I can do something as simple as an email report. So I choose the workflow name, could be UK leads. The segment should of course be the UK hot leads. And who should get this report then? Okay, I want to send it to Michael. Okay, that's perfect. That's a very simple way of distributing the data. What I also can do is sending the data through Zapier to any other tool on the planet. I can use a more technical way, webhooks, or use any of our native integrations. And more native integrations are coming, of course. So let's do Slack. A very simple but great way of communicating the leads directly into a Slack channel. I choose Slack. I choose the segment, again, UK hot leads. Send it to, I think I have a UK leads. Boom, and save changes. Oh, a name, UK leads, of course. Now, when a new lead comes in and reaches the criteria for being in this specific segment, they will automatically be sent into my Slack channel. And I can do this with any CRM, any marketing automation tool, any email outreach tool, and other tools as well. Or something as simple as a Google spreadsheet. That would be awesome, right? I know. Okay, so what's the next step now? You know the product, you know Albacross, you know a bit of me. The next step is very simple. Just go to albacross.com and sign up for a 2-week free trial. The only thing you need to do is to enter your email, victor@albacross.com. Start my trial. I choose, in this case, the premium version. And I just need to enter some details here. Need to then enter my credit card, and once that is done, I can actually try the product myself in 2 weeks. So the only thing you need to do, go to albacross.com and make sure that you get those leads that are already showing interest on your website. Okay? Thanks a lot for your time today, and thanks for listening to me, and enjoy the rest of the day. Bye!